Two Poohs, one in each arm. My dream.
You're a mother of two already. Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed my other videos. So now we are continuing our journey to eat some lunch. So we are going to the Creative Hearts Banquet Hall, which is an Alice in Wonderland themed little restaurant in Fantasyland. So we are exiting Beauty and the Beast area and it was so great. I loved that ride. I cried.
She cried on the ride.
Emotional.
I laughed on the ride because we were in the cups and it gave me the giggles, I know. But I also almost cried on the ride. Oh, there's a parade, okay. Did not expect to get a cake today, but we really wanted this unbirthday cake. It happens to be all of our unbirthdays today. What a coincidence. Merry unbirthday! Itadakimasu! Emmy and her child. Wow, I didn't even know you had a child. He's so grown up. That was fast.
That was fast. This came out of my belly.
Okay, so this is like the toddler, and then this is the young adult. Two Poohs, one in each arm. My dream.
You're a mother of two already. I look so upset. I look so upset. And Pooh Bear just latching onto me. Honey.